I'm Megan with WTI, and what girl doesn't need a great makeup bag that holds a ton of makeup? I love the design of this makeup bag because when you're opening up the makeup bag, it kind of fans out and it stays put. So I was able to keep this on the counter when I was traveling to have access to everything that I needed, and then closes up to be more compact when putting it into a suitcase. It is ideal for travel. I love the plastic zippered center. I was able to keep Q-tips and cotton pads in there and keep them dry and safe from all my other makeup. This also came with a little mesh bag that I was able to put all my makeup brushes in, and another little makeup bag inside that I was able to put all my blushes and eyeshadows and foundations, that sort of thing. You could also use this as a smaller makeup bag if you're only traveling overnight, or to put in your purse for a day trip. This makeup bag was able to hold my makeup brushes, a couple of palettes, all my foundations. It had a couple of pockets in the inside that I was able to put some of my makeup sponges in. It literally had a spot for everything. So if you need a good makeup bag that holds everything that you need and yet is still compact enough to not take up too much space in your luggage, I would definitely give this one a try. I don't think you'll be disappointed. And that's my point of view.